Okay, so fast forward a couple of days, brake calipers are now primed and ready to rock and roll with the caliper paint. I actually bought a pack of these from Poundland. Shock and horror, they were £1 for the whole lot. You get 9, and I just feel like with this it'll make it easier to be able to paint them on. I'm selecting what size brush I kind of want to fancy starting with, and I'm probably going to start with something maybe a little bit smaller than that. Maybe this size to start. Maybe this size to start. I'm going to spread the bristles, just make sure that they're nice and ready to rock and roll. And then I'm going to start with a small brush and yeah, just work my way around. Obviously it's all still masking taped off. This is by no means finished yet. And so it's just going to be a case of getting this first layer on, letting it dry, then go underneath and go from there. 3 days later. A couple of days after the first coat, and I've got to say I was a little bit disappointed with the way this has come out. So, as you can see, they don't look too bad, nice and shiny, nice texture. But as you can see, there's lots of dark spots, and I'm a bit of a perfectionist really. So I'm definitely going to want to go over these again. It said to leave it 24 hours and then put another coat on. So this is a couple of days later now, so this should be definitely ready to have another coat. I'm going to go with a thicker brush this time. A thicker brush, and I've got the little brush here to do a little bit of extra. Same coat of paint, same stuff that I was doing before. That's the Auto Tech stuff. And we're just going to try and neaten it up this time. Do another layer of stuff and go from there really. And we'll see how that comes out. Right, so after this other coat, as you can see, I'm actually a lot more impressed with how it's coming up now, okay? Now, I must say, one thing is that the coat that you get on it is not as even as, say, an aerosol can would be. However, what I do like about it is it goes on really thick, and you can see how shiny it is, and it stays that shiny. I don't think I'm going to have to put on a lacquer. And I really think that it creates like this thick layer of protection, so that's going to be really exciting to put on. The next part is on these bits here, you see, so this is the face of the caliper that you see on the wheels here, and then the back bit here. As you can see, that was where the Tokico and Nissan symbols were. Well, I'm actually going to use a stencil and put on this cool a stencil that I made, and I'm going to put these on instead, and then spray it black. So let's have a look and see what that's like.